Clearwater's warm, sunny climate is ideal for beach days and outdoor living, but it can also take a toll on your home's energy efficiency. If your energy bills are rising or your home feels drafty, the issue might be your doors. Replacing outdated or inefficient doors with modern, energy-efficient options is one of the best ways to enhance your home's comfort, lower energy costs, and protect the environment. Here's how replacing your door can boost energy efficiency and reduce costs in Clearwater. Eliminates drafts and air leaks. Older doors are often prone to drafts and air leaks, allowing Clearwater's hot, humid air to seep into your home and forcing your HVAC system to work harder. How new doors solve this issue? Advanced weather stripping. Modern doors come with high-quality weather stripping that creates a tight seal around the edges, preventing air infiltration. Precise fit. Professional installation ensures your new door fits snugly within the frame, eliminating gaps that allow air leaks. Durable materials. Materials like fiberglass and steel are less prone to warping, ensuring a consistent seal over time. By reducing drafts, a new door keeps your home cooler and helps you save on energy bills. Provides superior insulation. Insulation is key to maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures and reducing energy consumption, especially in Clearwater's hot climate. Many older doors lack adequate insulation, making them less effective at regulating temperature. Energy-efficient doors are designed for insulation. Insulated cores. Foam-filled cores provide superior thermal insulation, minimizing heat transfer between the indoors and outdoors. Low-E glass panels. If your door includes glass, low-E, low emissivity, coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Composite frames. Advanced composite materials prevent heat transfer and resist temperature fluctuations. Replacing your door with a well-insulated option can make a noticeable difference in your home's energy efficiency. Reduces energy costs. When your doors are energy efficient, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This reduction in energy usage translates directly to lower utility bills. Cost-saving benefits. Lower cooling expenses. Energy-efficient doors reduce heat gain, keeping your home cooler and decreasing reliance on air conditioning. Year-round efficiency. Whether it's Clearwater's summer heat or a rare cool winter evening, energy-efficient doors help maintain a stable indoor temperature. Long-term savings. While the upfront cost of a new door may seem significant, the energy savings over time often offset the investment. By improving energy efficiency, replacing your door can lead to significant cost reductions in the long run. Enhances indoor comfort. Drafty or poorly insulated doors can create uncomfortable hot spots or uneven temperatures in your home. An energy-efficient replacement ensures a more consistent and comfortable living environment. Comfort-enhancing features. Even temperature distribution. Properly sealed and insulated doors eliminate drafts and hot spots, ensuring consistent comfort throughout your home. Noise reduction. Modern doors with insulated cores also provide soundproofing benefits, reducing outside noise and creating a quieter indoor space. With a new energy-efficient door, your home becomes a more enjoyable and relaxing place to live. Protects against Clearwater's weather. Clearwater's coastal location means your doors must endure high humidity, strong sunlight, and occasional tropical storms. Older doors may not stand up to these challenges, leading to increased energy loss and frequent repairs. How new doors handle the weather. Moisture resistance. Fiberglass and steel doors resist warping, swelling, and rotting caused by humidity. UV protection. Advanced finishes and low-E glass protect against fading and heat damage from sunlight. Storm resilience. Hurricane-rated doors provide added protection against high winds and flying debris. By replacing your door with a weather-resistant option, you can enjoy better performance and durability in Clearwater's climate. Contributes to a sustainable home. For environmentally conscious homeowners, replacing your door with an energy-efficient model is a step toward reducing your home's carbon footprint. Eco-friendly benefits. Lower energy use. Improved insulation reduces the need for energy-intensive cooling, helping to conserve natural resources. Sustainable materials. Many energy-efficient doors are made from recyclable materials, supporting a greener manufacturing process. Longevity. Durable, high-quality doors last longer, reducing waste and the need for frequent replacements. A new energy-efficient door not only saves money but also supports Clearwater's commitment to sustainability. Increases home value. Replacing your door is an investment that enhances both your home's functionality and market value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly desirable among buyers, making your home more attractive should you decide to sell. Value-boosting benefits. Modern appeal, sleek designs, decorative glass, and custom finishes enhance your home's curb appeal. Energy savings appeal. Buyers appreciate the long-term cost savings that come with energy-efficient doors. Higher resale value. Homes with energy-efficient features often command higher prices on the market. By upgrading to an energy-efficient door, you're not just saving money, you're also increasing your home's worth. Conclusion. Replacing your door is a simple yet effective way to improve energy efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance comfort in your Clearwater home. Modern energy-efficient doors offer superior insulation, weather resistance, and long-term savings, making them an ideal upgrade for coastal living. If you're ready to enjoy the benefits of a new energy-efficient door, contact a trusted door replacement professional in Clearwater. Their expertise will ensure you select the perfect door for your needs, helping you create a more comfortable, sustainable, and cost-effective home.